For the Christmas log with praline, first we're going to make a hazelnut dacquoise. A hazelnut dacquoise is a sponge with hazelnut and beaten egg whites with sugar. Therefore, I will first make a meringue with egg white and sugar. We will whip it until firm. I also add a pinch of salt to have the sponge less sweet. And then finally we will mix in with a spatula gently the flour, the icing sugar, and then also the hazelnut powder. I will spread it out on a tray and then we will bake it at 210 degrees for about 10 minutes. As a first layer in our Christmas praline log, we are going to put a praline creamy. Therefore, we will first boil some cream. I will pour it on egg yolks. We make a custard at 85 degrees centigrade. Then I also put some gelatin. This mass we will pour over the Belcolade Origins Le Vietnam 45 cacao trays. We mix it into a ganache and then we also add some pure hazelnut paste. We mix it again in order to have a good homogeneous mass and then we leave it to cool down. When the temperature is around 25-30 degrees, we will also pour it on top of the hazelnut dacquoise and then later on we will put also the chocolate mousse on top. For the mousse, we are going to use the Belcolade Origins Le Vietnam 45 cacao trays. First of all, we will make a custard with milk, cream and egg yolk. We put this at 85 degrees centigrade and then I also add a little bit of soaked and melted gelatin. This we will pour over the Belcolade Origins Le Vietnam 45 cacao trays. We will mix it into a ganache and when this ganache reaches 35 degrees, we will also incorporate with a spatula gently some semi-whipped cream. Then we have a mousse with a nice texture and this will go on top of the hazelnut dacquoise sponge in our Christmas log. We will freeze it. Later on when it's frozen, I will cut it into pieces and then we start the decoration. Texture is important. That's why for our Christmas praline log, we will also make a crispy texture. I will just make it very easy. We will mix some Pâtisserie France praline hazelnut with some tempered Belcolade Origins Le Vietnam 45 cacao trays. I will add a little bit of sea salt as well. And then also I will add Pâtisserie France crusty crème. It's a type of feuilletine. We mix all together and then we will also frame it, of course, in a frame of 6 mm. When it's crystallized, I will also cut it at the right shape like you want. And then this layer will go on the bottom of our Christmas log. Now it's time for the chocolate decoration. I don't need much tools or equipment. I just need 2 guitar sheets, a plastic rolling pin, a tool to cut, and some creativity. For this chocolate decoration, I will use the Belcolade Sélection Noir cacao trays and also the Belcolade Sélection Amber cacao trays. So first I will put some tempered dark chocolate on my marble table and I will spread it out on top of a guitar sheet with my rolling pin. I will remove it from the table and it creates some nice lines like a wood texture. Then afterwards, on that decoration of chocolate, I will also spread out some tempered Belcolade Sélection Amber cacao trays. And this will give a very nice effect. When it's crystallized, I will also cut it 6 by 6 centimeters, and this will go as a decoration on the Christmas log. Now we go for the last step, the build-up and the decoration. So first of all, I will pipe a little bit of the hazelnut creamy on top of my Christmas log. I will decorate it a little bit with some cocoa powder and some icing sugar. I will place the Christmas log on top of the crispy texture. And then of course, I will also put my chocolate decoration on the side and on the top. So here I have the finished product, the mini Christmas log with praline. I call it mini because you know, size doesn't matter. You can cut it as long as short as you like. I will remove this decoration so you can see it from the center. So on the rear bottom we have a crispy texture made with pâtisserie France croustade and some praline. And then the bottom layer, it's the chocolate mousse made with the Belcolade Origins Le Vietnam 45 cacao trays. In between and also covered, we have also a hazelnut dacquoise. And then on the top we also have a creamy with hazelnut, which is very nice and it combines very well with the chocolate. Then also don't forget the chocolate decoration that I've shown you how to do it. It looks very nice. So I hope you enjoy this recipe and see you on the next demonstration. Merry Christmas!